All right, folks, for video purposes, I'm using these Johnsonville brats. I usually make my own, but I got a request to be shown how to smoke these on the Masterbuilt smoker. So I went and bought some of these for a real quick demonstration. But these are still good. Now, what you see me doing here is poking holes in this. And the reason why I'm doing this because I don't want my sausages to burst, especially these with the cheese in it. Because when they burst, they usually shoot the cheese everywhere. But if you go ahead and do them some justice and poke that hole in them, the cheese will just kind of like run on the side of them. And I'm using my some olive oil here because I want my seasoning to stick. And not only that, that's going to give this thickness on this Johnsonville brats a little bit more crisp. The skin on these suckers are really thick from the ones I use. Like I said, I make my own, and the skin on these Johnsonvilles, I guess because they mass produce, I don't even know what kind of skin they use on these babies. But yeah, just go ahead and lather them up with a little olive oil, just so that skin will get some more crisp on them, because they're a little bit thick, like I said. And if you do like me, you want your seasoning to stick. Now I'm gonna show you what seasoning I use. It is in the video on my channel here. I use my green eye. And like I said, it's in my video, folks. If you want to know how to make this seasoning, you can even use your own. It just give these broths a little bit more flavor. Trust me, your family appreciate it. Okay, now we're going to cook at 225. We're going to smoke with applewood chips. Now, guys, what you need to remember when using this smoker, when you set your temperature, you want to set it the first time 20 degrees higher than what you're going to normally cook on, because when you load up all your meat, the grill is going to drop about 20 degrees. So if you want to cook at 225, set it at 250. That way, when you put your meat in, you don't have to wait for it to catch back up. Come on in. Ooh wee, look at this, y'all. Look at that baby right there. You see how that cheese and everything just stick to it? See, if you didn't poke them holes, that would have shot out all over the grill somewhere. Let me get the rest of these puppies off so y'all can see them. And I'm going to tell y'all something else. When you cook brats, the way I cook brats, you don't even need no bread. These are looking and smelling so great. Ooh, y'all. I'm about to let y'all get a closer look at these babies here in a moment. Let me shut this thing up. Check it out, folks. Ooh. Believe me when I tell you, you don't need no bread, folks. Don't need it.